Definitely, like the course that I've taken today has given me enough knowledge and experience to be able to implement those fundamentals into my practice. Dr. Nader's knowledge in periodontics in general and in crown lengthening specifically is truly exceptional. The facts that he's giving you, the information he's giving you, is not just based on like the facts and in the literature that's available, but it's also based on personal experience that he usually gives you. It was a good investment for me, for sure. Like to be able to get that knowledge and even have the hands-on experience to practice it, eventually that gives you enough confidence to be able to practice it. Absolutely. It met my expectations to be able to do the course and all the information provided. Hopefully, I can be able to transfer it properly and adequately to my practice.